Hello, Board. Dr. Cleveland. I don't have any photos of the construction this month. I hope to have some next month at the board meeting. So at Central, we did get state approval today through email. So the bid package, which bid package 1 will go out probably tomorrow. We should get it back around the 17th, and it's for the site work, the gym remodel, and the demo. And then bid package 2 is the rest of the job. It should go out around April 12th. And then we look about April 4th to mobilize on Central and actually start work. So we have already put in place some storage units for them to start moving some of the classrooms that are getting demoed out. Some of them's agri, so there's a lot of equipment they don't need for the rest of the year. So they're putting it in storage and helping get that process started. Southwest, we still don't have the state approval, but the tentative dates are March 22nd for bid package 1, which is the site work, the field house, the new field house, and then demo of phase 1. And then bid package 2 should go out on June 7th, which is the rest of the facility.
State at the same time?
No, they were staggered. We did it on purpose on all of these projects to stagger them into the state where they got approved at different times. So, we expect the rest of these jobs to be approved probably within the next week. They should all be coming through. We've got comments on several of them from the state, and the architects had responded back to answer any comments we've received. So at Southwest, we've got 2 storage containers there for them to start moving into. We did get the portable classrooms ordered. They're scheduled to go in April. That way we can get all the utilities ran into them and start having them ready for students. Springdale High School, we still don't have the approval. We expect it any time. Bid package 1 will go out on April 13th through April 27th, depending on when we get the approvals. And it is the whole package. So it'll be demo and construction of the whole project. And then on that one, we expect to start demo around June 1st. So we do have 4 classrooms on site. We're remodeling right now. We'll have those ready by the end of summer. George Elementary, we're still in the estimating plan on it to get the estimates back to see what kind of budget we're looking at on that project. The middle school HVAC projects, they've been working on the weekends trying to get control wiring in place and some electrical. And we're looking at Helen Tyson Middle School and J.O. Kelly Middle School, installing the gym, central heating air units over spring break. The rest of them will start as soon as school gets out. We should have all the units here by then. And then we can start those processes right at the end of school.
When you say the state has sent us comments, is that just another way of saying they have questions, or are they making us make changes, or what's?
A lot of it's just questions pretty much. A lot of them, they may need another page from the architect, or they may want a physical set of plans. Haven't had anything major.
These are things that our architect and our contractor, Dr. Stein, people like that can fix.
Yeah. Yeah, some of it's just getting all the documentation to the right people in the right order. And like I said, we haven't had anything, any major issues on that. We think it'll all go through smooth. The DTSOI driveway, we're close to having a approval on that. We're having to wait to get a curb and gutter added to that to clear it through the state. So we expect that will go through in the next couple of weeks also. And that's really all I have. You guys got any questions?
We're going to have have to block out like a whole hour for you next year.
Probably, yeah. We should have a lot more to show probably in the May board meeting. Everything looks like we're gonna get started the end of March, 1st of April, as far as getting job sites, like job trailers on site and starting to do dirt work. So a lot of these, they'll start with the retention pond, a lot of the utilities. We'll get all that done, what we can do with kids in the building, and then once school's out, we'll start the demo.
I was asked about the, I talked to Dr. Cleveland a little bit about it, the central gym.
Mm-hmm.
My understanding is it will be open and used during this time, is that right?
That's,
We'll renovate it over the summer.
mm-hmm,
But during the school year, I mean.
Yeah.
yes,
Competition was the problem because of parking.
yeah.
Trying to figure out a way to do that, and
Yeah.
if Jeremy can come up with a great solution, along with Patrick Tenney, and I know they're working on it. The landholder that's adjacent to us, I think they're working with him to potentially see if we can park on that land.
Okay.
But we don't have that in concrete.
Done yet?
Yeah, we moved the gym renovation up to this summer instead of waiting till next summer.
Gotcha.
So we could get it, we'll have to shut it down for the summer to get it renovated, but then the start of school, it'll be ready for them to
It'll
use.
still be the main gym, right? Okay.
Correct. Yeah, so we're looking at it, just adding filming platforms, redoing some of the insulation, the ceiling, lighting, sound system,
Yeah.
and just upgrading it.
It's gonna be great.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Okay.
It's a little aggressive. All that's a little aggressive.
Yeah.
And I was talking to some other superintendents at a meeting. They asked what all was going on. I told them. And they're like, oh, that's a lot. Yes, it's a lot. It's normal for Springdale.
Yeah.
Yep.
Always have a project.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. All right. I'll introduce.
Yeah, projects. You and
We
I-
always have projects. Ever since I started here, we've always had projects.
Job security.
Yeah.
He loves it, and he does a great job.
Yes, we're very thankful for you.
Thanks.